What about you? We're well into November now. There's still a bit of growth in the lawn. However, it looks to be turning slightly yellow. That's what we're going to be looking at today. Now, first of all, we'll have to get the leaves off the lawn. So let's do that now. We'll have a couple of blowers here. I use this blower an awful lot in my videos, but we're not going to use this today. Just going to go on to the big blower because I want to get this done before the rain comes. So let's get on with that now. Have a lot of the leaves all cleared off the lawn now. Just take you over. We're quite fortunate. We have this bit of ground in between here and there. So I'm just going to blow the leaves into there, and then whenever we get all the leaves down, there's still a lot to go. Whenever we get all the leaves down, we'll lift them out of there. Still growing. The yellow tip. This time of year, I would say that's just from a bit of lack of nitrogen, because the grass is growing a bit. If it stays mild, I might be tempted to put on like a half dose of autumn instead of any of the rest of the worm cast. The good thing about the big blower is that it blows a lot of them out of the way. Just to show you guys, this is a dew rod, or this is a rod. So we'll have a fiberglass pole in it. And then that just screw. We'll just use this to break up the worm cast. So then again, just obviously, that's easy to store. Your grass does lose some colour, although I may actually do another light feed coming into December. So if you'd like to see me do that, leave me a comment down below.